Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. In this kind of situation, firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and both volume keys. So basically you hold all three keys together. So let's get it. And after device vibrates, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume keys, just like this. So here at this mode, in this menu, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset, and after you see the message Data Wipe Complete, select the first option Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted, just like in a minute or something. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.